Hey y'all, it's Supergirl KY here with a very special theme for all of our ladies out there. This set is especially close to me because this one is for my old college roommate. And boy oh boy did we have a fun time. Anyway, this one's for you, girl. And I did not show you the rest of my footage due to personal information that got put on some of these cookies. Therefore, it's on a need-to-know basis, and quite frankly, you all don't need to know. So if you haven't, please subscribe, comment down below any thoughts, questions, or comments you may have. Give this video a thumbs up if you think it is so deserving, and as always, be super today.